Hi everyone. So for this assignment, you will be using all of the different angle relationships that we have discussed so far in Unit 8. This includes corresponding angles, supplementary angles, consecutive interior and exterior angles, alternate interior and exterior angles, and vertical angles. This will be a spin-off of the transversal town assignment that we did in class. Instead of following clues to create a transversal town, your job for this assignment is to create your own transversal town, as well as 10 clues that somebody else could follow to navigate your town. To do this, you're going to be using Google Jamboard. You can find Jamboard by clicking on the applications in your Google Drive and finding Jamboard. The same way you would find Google Meet or Google Docs or Google Slides, but you're looking for Jamboard. As you can see here, I created a solid background. You can pick your backgrounds here. And I used the rectangle shape to create my 3 roads. That's going to be right here. You can pick rectangle. You can move and manipulate things as you please. So you can move things wherever you need them to be. You're then going to insert pictures of parts of your town. Don't forget to name your streets. You can use text boxes to write the names. You may choose to have a school, a library, a store, etc. Be creative. You will need to have at least 8 buildings or activities or locations in your town. To insert a picture, you will need to first find the picture you want to save, and save it to your Google Drive. And then you're going to go here to add image, and you can upload the image from your Google Drive or from your computer. On the second page of your Jamboard, you will write 10 clues that somebody else could use to create your town. Using the sticky note feature, write 1 clue per sticky note. Lastly, you will submit this assignment on Google Classroom under the Transversal Town assignment. Happy building!